If you see the "oops, something went wrong" error while using YouTube in Google Chrome browser, don't worry. This problem is usually caused by your browser, internet connection or browser extension. First, refresh your YouTube page by clicking the refresh button. If that doesn't help, check the internet connection and make sure it is stable. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. After complete updates, then click Relaunch. Again reload this page. If YouTube still show the error, it may be temporary problem with YouTube server. So wait for a while and try again later. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.